What is actually poppin', YouTube? How you been? How you doing? And how your freaky day been? Comment that down below, because you know I want to know. So today I got some hair. I got sent a curly bob from Sogoodhair, and I'm gonna show y'all how I lay my lace, because I know I'm bald. I know, fully aware, but sometimes, you know, we want to switch it up. So that's what we're gonna do today. So to start out, start by giving you guys my initial review on this hair right here. Oh, we're being rude. Right here, this is the box. I literally have it literally just came in. Okay, I just opened the door to get it, and yeah, so it's gonna be, you know, us experiencing this together, because I haven't seen the hair either. So taking the lid off. Ooh, okay, this is curly. Why isn't it curly? Interessante. Well, it definitely is straight, so I'm confused. Maybe whenever I wet it, it'll be curly, because it's not curly. But I think that the lace is pre-plucked. Looks a little bit thinner in the front, and it comes with, I think, like just brown lace. And I don't think that you can change that. So this is like the color of the lace against my finger. So it's gonna be a little dark for me, but we're gonna make it work, you know? We're gonna make it work. So yeah, the hair is super soft. Super soft. I like that. I'm not getting any shedding as I'm running my hands through it, which is always a good thing. And it already comes in the middle part. So now for the construction of it, it comes in the front here. So there's two comes on the side, and then one in the middle, and then one in the back, plus some lace at the back, which is nice, because that means that you can pull it up if you wanted to. This, I don't think I'll ever pull it up though. So yeah. I also wanted to mention that in the box it came with lashes, and these ones are actually really cute, because a lot of times like they send lashes and the lashes aren't cute, but these ones are cute, and like I'll actually wear these. So yeah, lashes, and then they sent a like dark brown or like regular brown wig cap. I can't use it because that's too dark for me, but somebody else could. Yeah, and then also an elastic band to sew onto the back. I'm not going to use the elastic band because it has adjustable straps, and if I just like kind of like cross the adjustable straps, it'll be fine enough. Okay, so I'm back and it's raining, but that's okay. So here's our wig. I plucked it, and yeah, and I bleached the knots. So the knots don't bleach very well. So yeah, that's one thing. But it could also be because I had to finesse and I barely had any bleach. So if you bleach the knots properly, that might not be an issue for you. But yeah, and then in terms of shedding, the shedding isn't bad at all. Like, you know, I just bleached it, and I also just plucked it. So there's gonna be some shedding, but like it's not like coming out of the clump or anything. It's like a strand or two, you know, it's nothing bad. So yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and get into applying it. So I'm gonna look real silly real quick. Take the glasses off, and then get our wig cap. This is not the one they gave me. This is one that I already had.
Falling for you, said you want me, well I want you to. Let's go somewhere, get comfortable. I could tell by the step what you wanna do.
I'm like bald now. But anyway, what we're gonna do next is get the same color and brush that we used to put on the wig lace. We're gonna put that on this too, so it just matches my skin better, you know. Oh, and I also found out this don't mess up your waves. You're still good. You're still good. Because I put on a wig like during spring break, and my waves was just fine. All right, and then we're gonna take our 91% alcohol, yes sir, and some little cotton circles, CVS, and wipe off the like right in front of the cap.
I mean, I gotta let knowledge be heard.
I be feeling for you, love you like my drunk baby, and I don't wanna fight it like the rush, baby. You be doing what you do, yeah, you stay on my mind. Talking how you talk, you know it gets me to my level. Whistle back without the pedal. Sugar to my coffee, got me touching on my metal. For you, the way you do, got me wanting to do better. Always motivating, even through the stormy weather. I love it, so exciting, enticing. I'll do anything. And I don't know what to say. Taking over my mental, want it every day. Put your hands up if you ever felt what I'm feeling. All about the loving and the giving. I wanna give it to you. Love the way you do. Free falling for you. Said you want me, well I want you to. Let's go somewhere, get comfortable. I could tell by the step what you want, what you wanna do. What you wanna do. What you wanna do. Me, you, get comfortable. What you wanna do. What you wanna do. Me, you, get comfortable.
Hey, so this is a day, like the day after the video. So I wore the wig the entire day, and I'm gonna just give y'all like my thoughts on it from wearing it throughout the day. So in terms of shedding, there was none, and literally my hands are through my hair like this the whole day, like this the whole day. So no shedding. It's still super soft. I put like when I tell y'all, I put a bunch of mousse in this hair. I put so much mousse in this hair, but it's still like super soft. No tangling, even at the nape. There's no tangling in it. And there better not be if it's a bob, like, but you know, like a lot of hair, like sometimes it'll like tangle up real bad at the nape, but this one doesn't. Yeah, I think the only negative that I have about this hair is like that the knots don't bleach, but you see, like, it doesn't even look bad. Like, throw some powder on the lace and you'll be fine. Like, it's straight. That's the only, like, I dead think that's the only con that I have about this hair, that the knots didn't bleach. But everything else, it's really nice. Like, it's so soft. It is so soft. And here's the lace. Like, you see, like, the knots, that's gross, but if we're back here, you know, you can't really tell, you know. But yeah, that's the lacy stuff. See all up in there. And I did the baby hair because the knots were like that. If the knots weren't like that, I wouldn't have done the baby hair. But the lace was too dark for me. Oh yeah, that's another thing. If you have a lighter skin tone, the lace will probably be too dark for you. So you're gonna have to put like powder on the inside, and you're gonna have to do baby hair so that it'll blend better. But other than that, like, the hair itself is really nice. It's like, it's bomb. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.